What's a cute little girl like you doing in a place like this? A walk at night isn't very safe. You better be quiet, little spy. I'll be sending you to a nice place soon.
Who's that, Dr. Spectrum?
Gadget's niece. Dematerialize her.
That's a good idea. What number shall we use?
Let's send her to Dr. Claw. Now for this little trip I promised you, my dear.
Look out! Behind you! Ah!
Got it!
Idiot! Give me that! Let go, you klutz!
Look who's talking!
Now's my chance!
Wow!
We have enough evidence now to stop them. We'd better call Chief Quimby.